I boarded the plane, thought I'd said all my goodbyes. I bear no regrets, I'm only sorry how time flies. A man next to me says this city is so shallow. And me, I'm looking down, I see a city full of soul. And I can hardly wait to see those lights again. A part of me remains, I'm forever chained. You're always almost there, it's a love and hate affair. I believe them when they say you never leave LA. I retraced the steps of all the stars on the boulevard. No one thinks about what it took to get that far. And others who have tried, they were only left there hanging. And all those broken dreams could have filled up Laurel Canyon. These California skies put a fire in my eyes, and I could drive for miles with the ocean by my side. You're always almost there, it's a love and hate affair. I believe them when they say you never leave LA. 39,000 feet high above the ground. If I were in the driving seat, I could have turned this plane around. And I can hardly wait to see those lights again. A part of me remains, I'm forever chained. You're always almost there, it's a love and hate affair. I believe them when they say you never leave